Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Friday, November the 20th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have, you can use this email address. Link to the free room, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. Room is open Monday to Friday between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen live on the mic. And in the email you're getting, you'll see a link to my homepage. My homepage has information on how to take out a subscription with a discount. Has the trade of the week, which I absolutely recommend that you sign up for. Trade of the week is sent to you before the market opens every Monday morning, usually about 30 minutes before. It's got information on my scans. There's a scans tab there, all the scans that I'm sharing. And also there is a big educational link, including the 20 lessons that I really think that most people should take, especially if you're new. How to build a top list, how to build an alert window, what are all the standard features of Trade Ideas. Well, what a day. Just another absolutely insane day in the trading room. So let's just take a couple of things here. You know, if you're in the room yesterday or you followed these electric vehicles, FUV for one, you saw it had a huge move yesterday. And let's just take a look at it on the daily chart. You know what? What I want to do, I just want somehow, if I just have to move this over a little bit. See, that's what happens. Just a minute. I just have to find, you know what? I'm just going to put myself on pause just for a second. Okay. So what I wanted to show you, and oh, no, I've lost the big chart. Just give me a second, please. There it is. Okay. So what I wanted to show you was FUV. So this is FUV. You can see it had a tremendous day yesterday, like a lot of the, you know, if you've been following the China EVs, electric vehicles, LI, NIO, XPEV, just on fire. But we've got some of the smaller ones. These are not China plays. But FUV, Solo, I'm going to take a look at some Candy, of course, which is a smaller China play. But look at what happened with FUV. So this is yesterday, huge day. This is pre-market, a little bit soft in the pre-market, and then all of a sudden, let me just get rid of this. All of a sudden we see this big red bar. Remember, at one point this was a big red bar all the way down here. And I frantically looked for the news to see if there was anything about it, and I couldn't see it, and then just moments later, it came out that they've done a financing. Now, they're financing not very many shares, 1.1 million at 13.25. So if you know anything about financings, I mean, typically, you know, financing, existing shareholders do not like to see their positions diluted. So most of the time, you know, the price will remain below the financing price, certainly the day of. Maybe it recovers afterwards, but anyway, just want to show you what happened afterwards. Didn't care whatsoever about this financing. I mean, look what it got to. Remember, the financing's at 13.25, got all the way up to 2022 before it fell. And this was, in theory, kind of a late alert, you know, from my watch list at 11.13, 16.24. But it didn't matter because, I mean, look what it did. 16.24 got up to 2022. I want to take a look at some of the other ones from the watch list. RVP was 12.40, got all the way up. It wasn't that great. 12.64 before it fell. Is trying to come back. I don't think Polar really worked. 4.84, it didn't really do anything. Look at KXIN. KXIN. Now, again, what you're seeing here, you're seeing the time of the alert, the first time it was alerted, and the price. So there's the candle in which the alert happened. 4.44, before it pulled back, got up to 5.68, pulled back, got all the way up to 6.09 before it pulled back, and then all the way up to 7.50 or so before now it's finally pulling back. Sun W, another one, 5.22. 5.22 got up to 6. Don't think Court really moves. 23.56, it's just kind of hanging around. Mara is one that I'm actually in, and I'm going to hold this one as long. I got in at 327. So as long as it doesn't get too much below 327, this is a kind of a crypto play. So I might be swinging it as long as it holds over this level. I don't think OPTT moved that much, not really. Miso, I don't 1394. What did it get up to? Yeah, I mean 1394, and it got up to 1447. Now look at Solo, 974, almost straight up to 1361 before it fell. Arrow, here's another one, 851. Now this is, I should tell you, 851, what did it get up to? I mean, 998, 988. I'm just saying my watch list is really, yesterday and today had some spectacular percentage gainers. I'm not going to go through the rest of them. Well, there's the FUV up here. Now, Arrow is one that I actually, if you were in the room yesterday, I traded this one, and I wanted to take this one before the market closed, and I did, and I got in, I think it was 627, and really actually hoping after hours it would really jet up. It didn't do that, but woke up this morning to this, and so I sold most of my stock around 821. Unfortunately, I did not get back in when it had the big pop. So I mean that, and this is another EV, sort of a latecomer, we'll call it, to that EV sector. So all in all, just a tremendous day for my watch list again. Yesterday and today were just tremendous days. I mean, on the percentage gains, it's it's just been quite unreal. And the other one, though, I want to just show you is Cliff. So this was the trade of the week, and it triggered at I think it was 820. I'm sorry, 852. Now, it would have been difficult. This was on Monday. This is not Monday, but so 852, it got up to 950. And it's kind of a sleepy one. It's got 400 million shares in the float, just about. But still not a bad trade of the week. The trigger price was 852. You couldn't have got it right there, but you could have got it certainly between 855 and 860. And if you held through the week, especially in up to this level, but it may even come back by the end of the week or end of the day. But the bottom line is this, is that on my link, my various homepage link, you can sign up for the trades of the week. It's free. And they have just, the last 5 have been just spectacular, starting with NIO, I think 5 weeks ago, at $22. And NIO, what did it get up to? Today, got up to 50, and I think yesterday was even higher, the day before was even higher, around 55. Yeah, I'm just looking on this daily right there. So 5 days ago, it got up to 55. So anyway, sign up for the trade of the week. It's free. So there's, I don't know why you wouldn't. You could just take a look at them. You want to trade them, go ahead. If you don't, you can pass, of course. The trades of the week are designed for longer term holds. And, so if you're into swing trading, it might be something you want to take a look at. All right, well, it's been a long 2 weeks. The test drive is over today. So hopefully if you had the test drive, you did get some value out of it. Hopefully temper or manage your expectations. You're not going to become a trade ideas expert in 2 weeks. And if you're brand new to the market, you're certainly not going to become a market expert in 2 weeks. But the trading room, that if you were in the trading room that I was hosting for the 2 weeks, that's typical. It's not just for the test drive. That is the format, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., and it is free. All right, everybody, I do want to get back into the room, see if there's going to be any late day trades. And so here, I just want to bring back my capture program. Any questions for me, you can use this email address, the link for the free room, and I'll open the room Monday morning at 9 o'clock. So I hope everybody has a great weekend, and we'll see you in the trading room Monday. Bye-bye.